Hey guys, RowdyDawg, how y'all doing today? The old RowdyDawg's doing good. I got a product for you, pretty timely. Came in, I've got a grandson that's getting ready to have a birthday, and I got sent this cool remote control. Gosh, this does land, it'll go on water, and it'll go in the air too, and it does a 360-degree flip. Very cool. I just got this in. See it there? Looks like a B-2 bomber, kind of really cool looking. Let me pull it out of the package here and show it to you. Let's see here. Here we go. I don't know a lot about it. I just got it. The packaging's nice. See how that packaging looks? Good. Let's pull it out here. Here's the controller. There's the controller right there. Looks like it takes probably AAA batteries. Not sure yet, but I'll find out. And look at this thing. They say this thing is indestructible. Look at this thing. It's made out of foam. Looks like it's got lights, LED lighting on the edges here. Very cool. And see the 4 propellers? And this is foam. It's made out of foam, so it's very flexible and very forgiving. You know, there's a lot of these remote control vehicles that you break first time you use them, but this one looks really nice. Anyway, let me, yeah, it looks like it has a battery right here. But let me get a look at this thing, and I'll be back a minute, and I can talk more intelligently about it, and we'll get out here and fly it some. So hang on, I'll be back in a minute. Very cool. Okay, hang on. Okay, guys, I found out a few things about this. First of all, it is rechargeable. It has a rechargeable battery in this little compartment here, and I've got the battery charging over here, a little bitty rectangular shaped battery. And this takes 3 AAA batteries, the controller, 3 AAA batteries. Very cool. Anyway, we're gonna let this thing charge up, and also they give you some extra propellers. They give you a little screwdriver, you know, just some little extra propellers and things that you may need. But that's nice to have. Also comes with an ops manual here. It tells you how to use it, how to put it together, change the batteries. Now this thing will fly. It looks like I saw 30 minutes of fly time. That's pretty good. And on a single charge. But anyway, I'll get on here and we'll get a look at everything, and I'll get back to you. Hold on. We'll get this thing out and get it flying. Okay, guys, I've got this thing charged up. I've got the battery back in here. And look at this. I just turned it on and paired it up. Look at those lights. Isn't that cool? Let's see what we can do here. I just wanted to show you this. It's got these cool LED lights on it. Isn't that neat? Look at those. That is so cool. Whoa, whoa, I hit a button or something. Look at how these, watch the propellers. See how they change different modes? They'll go sideways so you can go across the ground. Anyway, let me get going on this. I'm gonna show you. Whoa, there it goes. Whoa. Wow, look at that thing. Anyway, I gotta turn it off. It's cool, it's just hovering there on its own, guys. You guys see that? It's just hovering there. And this is the first time I've never flown this at all. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn it off. There, okay. I'm gonna take it outside and do it. My grandson's gonna be thrilled with this thing. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, it's RowdyDawg. I got my granddaughter Lana and my grandson Bear here. Y'all say hi.
Hello.
Say RowdyDawg.
RowdyDawg.
Okay, and we've got this little drone here, and this thing has 3 modes. Now, one thing I want to show you. First of all, you hit this button and watch what these propellers do. And that way you can run it across the ground. Watch this. See that? Hey. Go away. My dog is trying to get it. Sarge, you quit it. Anyway, but that's cool. See how the propellers go sideways? And that way you can run it across the ground. Okay guys, Bear is here. He's gonna show us how this thing will run and then go off in the water. It does land and water. Okay, Bear, do it. And there he goes. Watch this. Oh no, it got in the water, now what? Okay, go ahead. See how it goes across the water too? And he can turn it and everything. Is that not cool? See the lights? I don't know if y'all can see the lights. Bring it over here, Bear, let me show them. Look at that. See the lights on? This would be cool at night to run this at night. It's too windy here to get outside. We happen to do it in our pool house. But look at that thing go. And he can turn it both ways. Just like a little boat, a little airboat kind of. Very cool. Okay, bring it over here, Bear. And we'll get it out of the water and we'll set it up on the side and then he can fly it. What happens? Hit this button right here. Now watch what happens.
This one?
Yes. See, now it's ready to go up in the air. Now hit this button and it'll rise up automatically. Watch. There it is. And see if you can make it hover out over the pool. Oh, and it's robust too. I've wrecked this thing a couple times. Okay, there it is. See how he's got it hovering over the pool? Cool. Can you guys see that? There it is. Pretty neat. Whoa! Watch. That's pretty cool. And see, we don't have any wind in here in the pool house, so you can make it go all kinds of directions. And see, you can land it in the water. Watch what happens. He's going to land it in the water. Just let it go down. Push the joystick down, and it'll land in the water. Now hit that other button, and see it's hovering just over the water. Okay, guys, I'm going to try and show you this remote. I'm going to try and show you this thing out. It's getting kind of dark here. I'm going to try to see if I can make this thing do. It's got a flip function on it. All you do is hit this button right here and then hit the down on the toggle here, and it'll make this thing do a 360-degree flip. But look at the lights. It's getting pretty dark here now, so let me see if you can change the lights with this button. You can change see how it's changing the pattern of the lights? Isn't that cool? Anyway, let me try this, see if I can get it done. Hold on, see if I can get you out here.